My name is P. Sudarshan. I am from CSEG section. Today my topic is anionic mechanism of PVC. Subject name is chemistry. Subject code is 23CHE01. My roll number is 244G1A05CS. Today my topic is free anionic mechanism of PVC. Introduction to PVC and anionic mechanism. Polyvinyl chloride (PVC) is a widely used synthetic plastic polymer. The free anionic mechanism is one of the key processes in the polymerization of PVC. Understanding this mechanism helps in enhancing the properties and applications of PVC. Basics of polymerization. Polymerization is the chemical process in which small molecules known as monomers bond to form a polymer. In the case of PVC, the monomer is vinyl chloride, which undergoes polymerization to form long chains. Anionic polymerization uses an anion as the primary reactive species to initiate the polymerization process. Mechanism of free anionic polymerization. The free anionic mechanism involves the generation of a reactive anion that initiates polymerization. A nucleophile, typically an alkoxide or an amide, interacts with the vinyl chloride monomer. This results in the formation of a growing polymer chain with anionic character that propagates the reaction. Characteristics of free anionic mechanism. The free anionic polymerization generally leads to high molecular weight polymers. It provides better control over the polymer architecture such as black or graphite copolymers. The process also results in minimal side reactions, enhancing the purity of the final product. Advantages of free anionic polymerization. The method allows for the synthesis of polymers with specific functionalities and tailored properties. It can be conducted at lower temperatures and pressures compared to other polymerization methods. The free anionic mechanism also facilitates the incorporation of various comonomers into the polymer chain. Applications of PVC produced via anionic mechanism. PVC produced through the free anionic mechanism is used in a variety of applications including construction materials. It is also utilized in the manufacturing of pipes, electrical cable insulation and flooring. The tailored properties of such polyvinyl chloride make it suitable for specialized applications in the automotive and medical industries. Challenges and limitations. One of the challenges of the free anionic mechanism includes the sensitivity to moisture and impurities. The process requires stringent control of reaction conditions to avoid termination or chain transfer. Additionally, the use of curtain initiators can limit the scalability of the production process. Future perspectives in polyvinyl chloride research. Ongoing research is focused on improving the efficiency and sustainability of the anionic polymerization process. Innovations in initiator chemistry may lead to better control over polymer properties and functionalities. The development of eco-friendly approaches for polyvinyl chloride synthesis remains critical area for future exploration. Feel free to modify or expand on any of the slides as needed. Thank you. Thank you for listening.